Bodies of water. So, sa bodies of water, meron tayong river, ocean, sea, and sound. So, let's start with river. So, what is river? A large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, lake, or another such stream. So, how rivers form? So, dito meron tayong high elevation land and lower elevation land. So, yung high elevation land, ito yung nasa mataas, at yung lower elevation land, at ito yung nasa baba. So, nafo-form yung rivers dahil sa tubig mula sa high elevation land pababa sa lower elevation land with the help of gravity. So, yung water dito sa high elevation land, maaaring magmula siya sa rain, or sa pagtunaw ng mga snow or ng niebe. And after nun, unti-unti na itong bumababa. And habang bumababa siya, na-absorb na ng ground or ng lupa yung water and napupunta na ito sa land depression. So, this kind of downhill flow of water, nag-turns siya sa land into a riverbed. Ayan. And napo-form din yung river kapag may mga group of stream na nagsama-sama. Ayan. And yung smaller stream na yan, ang tinatawag natin dyan ay tributary. At dyan napo-form yung river and ito ay dadaloy na patungo sa ocean or sa sea. So, next is ocean. What is ocean? Ocean is the body of salt water that covers about 71% of Earth's surface and contains 5 oceans. And these are Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the last one is Southern Ocean. So, how oceans form? How did the oceans form? So, oceans form in two possible ways. The first one is volcanism, and the second one is comet. So, sa volcanism muna po tayo. Nung naganap po ang volcanic eruption, nag-release po ito ng water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases. At yung dahan-dahan na pong lumamig yung ating Earth, yung water vapor po ay nag-condense para maging ulan, at dito na po na-form yung ocean. Ayan. Pangalawa ay ang comets. So, there are comets daw po na filled with water. And in the beginning years daw po, thousands of comets hits the earth. And dun na rin po na-form yung ocean. The third bodies of water is sound. Okay, what is sound? A sound is a large sea or an ocean inlet that separates two land masses. So, yung sound is parang magkatulad lang siya ni Fjord. Pero kasi, yung sound filled with water siya. And mas malaki yung size niya kaysa sa Fjord. And yung Fjord naman is made of glacier siya. And yung size niya is, parang maliit lang ng konti kaysa sa sound. Ayan. Kung makikita niyo po dyan. So, how did sound form? Like what I said kanina po, yung sound is nabuo ng mga tubig na nanggaling sa sea or sa ocean. And makikita mo lang yung sound near the coastlines of the world o sa mga baybayin. Ay, since yung tubig niya is galing sa ocean or sa sea, ibig sabihin, yung sound po is isa siyang salt water landform. Ayan. And kung titingnan niyo po itong landform na to, makikita mo na yung area niya ay mababa lang. Ayan, low-lying area. And that is how the water from the sea or an ocean gets filled in. Okay, the last one is sea. Ayan. So, what is sea? So, seas are usually smaller and less deeper than oceans, whereas an ocean is a vast and a continuous body of water. So, basically, sea is smaller than ocean. Ayan. So, how did the sea form? Ayan. So, same lang siya kung paano na-form yung ocean. At ito ay dahil sa volcanism and sa comets. Kung natatandaan nyo yung volcanism, nung nagkaroon ng volcanic eruption, nag-release ng water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases. And after nun, nung lumamig na yung ating Earth, yung planeta natin, nag-condense yung water vapor para maging ulan at doon na form yung ocean. And sa comets naman, yung comets daw dati ay filled with water, and in the beginning years nga po, thousands of comets hits the Earth. Yan. Kaya doon na rin na-form yung ocean, yung sea or ocean. So, I hope you learn a lot. Thank you for listening po.